In today's trip tips, we will cover 10 things that you cannot pack in your carry-on and take with you through airport security. These rules are going to apply to anything that you intend to take with you onto the airplane, regardless of if you pack them in a personal item like a backpack or a purse, or if you pack them in a carry-on suitcase. The main restriction for carry-on luggage is that you cannot bring any liquids or gels or creams or pastes or liquidy food items that are in a container that is 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters or larger. Note that I said the container size needs to be 3.4 ounces or smaller. So if you had face wash in a 4-ounce container, but there was only this much left in it, you still would not be able to bring it with you. There are some exceptions for medically necessary liquids, such as medication as well as infant formula. You also are not able to carry any scissors with you that have a blade that is 4 inches or longer. Sharp objects such as knives or box cutters are also generally not allowed. Those tiny nail cutting scissors are okay, and so are tweezers, nail clippers, standard shaving razors, and corkscrews. You are not allowed to bring those super useful multi-purpose tools if they do include a knife, regardless of the length of the knife's blade. Any weapons, such as firearms or BB guns, or anything that could launch an object and potentially harm another passenger is also not allowed. Anything that even looks like a weapon, even if it is obviously fake, like a colorful water gun or a foam sword, you are not allowed to bring these in your carry-on. You are also not allowed to pack anything that could sound like a weapon, such as those Christmas crackers that are going to make a loud snapping sound. Sporting equipment that could be used as a weapon, such as a baseball bat or a golf club, is also not allowed, as well as other weapons like mace, pepper spray, and bear spray. Powders like baby powder, bath salt, foot powder, cooking powder, and any granule material must also be packed in a container that is 350 milliliters, or about 11.8 ounces, or smaller. Explosive or flammable substances are also not allowed, like ammunition or fireworks. You are allowed to bring with you a small lighter, even one of those disposable ones, and you can keep the lighter fluid inside of it. You are not allowed to bring one of these torch-style lighters. Most tools, like hammers and drills, are also not allowed, and you also can't bring any cooking appliances with you, like a hot plate or a toaster. And then you are not allowed to pack any drugs that are illegal under federal law in your carry-on bag or in your checked bag. This would include things like marijuana, even if it is legal in the state that you are flying out of and the state that you are flying into. Electronic smoking devices such as e-cigarettes and vape pens are allowed to go in your carry-on. Just make sure that you take them out with your other electronics and put them in the bin as you go through the security scanner. Happy packing, and don't forget to subscribe to join us back here for more trip tips next week. Bye.